This scrambled text effect hits hard, and you can make it in Filmora 15. Let me show you exactly how to build it. Okay, let's get started. With your footage already on the timeline, go to Text and Titles and drag Default Title 1 onto your video. Adjust the length so it ends exactly where you want your scramble effect to finish. Now open Advanced. Type in your text. Change the font to Montserrat Extra Bold. Set the size to 75 and increase the spacing to somewhere around 6 to 7. Under Fill, switch to Gradient Fill. Make the first point red and the second point black. Then adjust the angle so the black sits at the bottom and slide the red toward the right side about halfway. Make the text bold and add a drop shadow. Bring the shadow opacity down to about 80%, then click Apply. Now go to the beginning of your text and move one frame forward. Press Command+B to slice the text. Move forward another frame, slice again, and repeat this about 10 times. Then delete the leftover text at the end so you only keep the sliced segments. Now open your browser and search for Scrambled Text Generator. Type in the same text you're using in Filmora. Click on Convert to Scrambled Text and copy what you get. Go back to Filmora. Open the first sliced text piece and paste the scrambled version inside. Do the same for the next piece. Generate a new scrambled line, copy it, and paste it into the second slice. Keep repeating this process until all your sliced pieces have different scrambled variations. After that, you can duplicate some slices if you want the effect to last longer. Now bring your clean, correct text back into the timeline. Stretch it out so it covers the same length as your scrambled slices. Right-click that clean text and turn it into a compound clip. Open the compound clip. Paste your original video underneath the clean text. This will act as the background. Now go back to the timeline, select the compound clip, and go to Mask. Choose Line Mask and drag the mask to the beginning of the text. Set a keyframe, move forward in the timeline, and slide the mask all the way to the other side so it reveals the clean text perfectly. And just like that, you've created a clean, smooth scrambled text reveal inside Filmora 15. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like. It really helps the channel. And next, watch my tutorial on Filmora 15's new pen tool. You don't want to miss that one.